Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure like no other as we delve into the enchanting world of Korean Jogaegui, a delightful seafood dish that's brimming with unique flavors and history. Get ready to uncover a treasure trove of unknown facts about this Korean delicacy. Before we dive into the hidden gems, let's introduce you to Jogaegui. This exquisite dish is a testament to Korean culinary artistry, starring the unassuming conch shell as its main ingredient. Ancient origins. Did you know that Jogaegui has deep roots in Korean history? This seafood delight dates back centuries, with coastal communities turning to conch as a bountiful source of sustenance. Regional varieties. One fascinating fact is that Jogaegui comes in various regional varieties across South Korea. Each area adds its distinct touch, from spicy chili pastes to rich, savory broths, providing a flavorful journey for your taste buds. Health benefits. Jogaegui isn't just delicious, it's also incredibly healthy. Conch meat is a powerhouse of protein, low in fat, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a seafood superfood. Cooking techniques. The preparation of Jogaegui is an art in itself. Chefs employ various techniques, from grilling to steaming and even enjoying it raw. It's a testament to the culinary versatility of this remarkable dish. Unique dining experiences. Immerse yourself in the world of Jogaegui by dining at a traditional Jogaegui Jip. These restaurants are entirely devoted to this delectable seafood, offering an authentic Korean culinary experience. Seaside indulgence. For an unforgettable experience, savor Jogaegui by the ocean. Many coastal restaurants offer the freshest conch dishes paired with stunning sea views, creating a truly memorable dining experience. Jogaegui festivals. Experience the vibrant Jogaegui culture at dedicated festivals. These events feature exciting cooking competitions, live music, and, of course, an abundance of delicious Jogaegui dishes to savor. Japanese connection. Jogaegui has historical ties to Japan as well. It's believed that this dish was introduced to Korea during the Japanese colonial period, adding an interesting layer of cultural exchange. Lucky symbolism. In Korean culture, the conch shell is associated with luck and prosperity. It's often used as a symbol of protection against negative energy. Many people keep conch shells at home as good luck charms. Tiny but mighty. Jogaegui are small creatures, with adult squid typically measuring around 7-8 centimeters, 2.8–3.1 inches, in length. Despite their small size, they are highly sought after for their unique taste. Limited geographic range. These squid are primarily found in the waters off the coast of Japan and Korea, with the Sea of Japan being a particularly rich habitat for them. Short lifespan. Firefly squid have a remarkably short lifespan, typically living for less than a year. They hatch in late spring or early summer and die after reproducing in the following spring. Seasonal delicacy. Jogaegui is considered a seasonal delicacy in Korea, with the peak season occurring in the spring. During this time, they migrate to the coastal waters to spawn. Traditional harvesting. Firefly squid are traditionally caught using a fishing method called ikaika, which involves attracting them to bright lights at night and then scooping them up using nets. Rich in nutrients. Despite their size, firefly squid are packed with nutrients. They are an excellent source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals like calcium and iron. Taste and texture. Jogaegui is prized for its unique taste and texture. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor with a hint of brininess. The texture is tender and delicate. Versatile culinary uses. In Korean cuisine, firefly squid can be prepared in various ways. They are commonly enjoyed as sashimi, in salads, or lightly grilled. Their bioluminescence may still be visible when served fresh. Health benefits. The nutritional profile of Jogaegui makes it a healthy choice. Omega-3 fatty acids in firefly squid can support heart and brain health, while the calcium contributes to strong bones. Cultural significance. Firefly squid holds cultural significance in regions where it is harvested. Festivals and events are often held to celebrate its arrival and catch. Limited shelf life. Due to their delicate nature, Jogaegui has a short shelf life. It's best consumed as fresh as possible to fully appreciate its flavor and texture. Sustainability concerns. The popularity of firefly squid has raised concerns about overfishing and sustainability. Efforts are being made to manage their harvest to ensure the long-term health of their populations. Export demand. While Jogaegui is primarily enjoyed domestically in Korea and Japan, there is growing international demand for this unique seafood delicacy. Scientific research. Firefly squid are of interest to marine biologists and researchers due to their bioluminescent capabilities. They are also studied for insights into marine ecosystems. In conclusion, Jogaegui, or Korean conch sashimi, offers a delightful culinary journey that beautifully encapsulates the flavors of the sea. Its tender, sweet flesh and refreshing texture make it a must-try delicacy for seafood enthusiasts. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Seoul or enjoying a coastal feast, Jogaegui is a testament to Korea's rich culinary heritage and its ability to create exquisite dishes that tantalize the taste buds. So, the next time you're in Korea, be sure to savor this unique and delicious seafood experience.